It's Wednesday and we are in the trade, yeah? Let me just make a quick analysis so everybody can see on the same page the way how I trade, yeah? So basically, I'm looking for the price action to make higher highs or higher lows, to take the low and then to take the high. Same theory, it goes to the downtrend, yeah? Takes the high and takes the low. Very simple, that's what I'm expecting right now, yeah? It's a very simple concept, guys. The price action literally was going down, yeah? And then here was the huge spike up, like due to the news. The price action kind of like was making lower lows and high lows. And right now the price action just reversed and broke this structure. Right now, I do really think the price action might gonna go up to take this high. Yep, and that would be great if that will happen. Now let me show you, I'm already in the trade. So the only thing what I'm waiting for is just the price action to get to this high to take it out. And you know, if it's gonna be a profitable trade, then that's fine. If not, then it is what it is. But as usual, guys, if you do like this video content, guys, make sure you're gonna like this video and subscribe if you want. But for now, that's it. Let's wait for for developing of the trade. Stay tuned. Nothing too crazy, guys. We're still moving up, and maybe right now the way how I'm seeing this candle, I'm gonna start push back a little bit. But the thing is, because this 15 minutes candle just closed, and most likely you're gonna make some sort of pullback to make a lower wick and then push up to make higher high. So we'll see how this price action will develop shortly. Stay tuned. The price action basically had a small pullback and now kind of tries to make his move up. I really would like to see the price action touching this, taking this high, because it's going to be a very beautiful trade if it's going to take this high. It's going to be like a 1 to 2 risk to reward, so it's pretty decent. Let's see how this price action will going to end up, because what price usually could do eventually, yeah, just from this point to reverse and hit my stop loss. It can happen like that. I won't be surprised. At the end of the day, the trading is war. It's actually gambling that we can expect some sort of uncertainty. And once you understand that the price action can do whatever he wants, and the only thing what we can do is just to open a trade and wait for the price action to hit either the take profit or stop loss, that's more than enough. And don't forget just to stick to a strategy, guys. That's the most important thing. Stick to a strategy and you will see the result. Don't try to tweak anything. Don't try to trade the different strategies every day. Because if you're gonna keep changing the strategy, you never will gonna get throughout the unprofitability. So yeah, guys, that's kind of the say for now. Stay tuned. You see how the price action usually likes to do. It was like 2 pips away from the take profit, and just randomly, very randomly, just reversed and moved straight back and is almost back to the break even. It does bad, but hey, it is what it is. It happens. And you know, it doesn't need to be sad or something. You just need to agree, because that's how market works. That's what market does, manipulates the price. You know, that what makes this job so hard. But at the end, if you keep it up and still doing the same thing all over again, stay patient, stay disciplined, and the most important thing, to follow your trading rules. And so that's what I'm doing. If it's gonna stop me out, it's gonna stop me out. There's nothing else what I can do about it. That's the only thing what I can do, is just to follow my trading rules. Because if I'm gonna respect all my trading rules, in the long term, I will get profitable. How do you think? Is gonna be a winner from this point? Or is it gonna go down and we're gonna stop me out? How do you think? Let me know down in the comments what you think is gonna happen. But for now, let's wait, see how this trade will gonna play it out. Yeah, guys, so this is the update. Yeah, it's just been crazy. It's just been a loss. I almost hit the TP, and look at this beautiful like power that came straight into my stop loss. That's what I'm saying. This is trading, and this is the reality of trading. If you're good with that, then you're gonna become a profitable trader. If you're not good with that, you better just leave. The trading is not for you. But if you did like this video, guys, make sure you're gonna like it, comment if you do have any question, and see you on my next one. Peace and love, guys. I'm out.